Hey everyone, welcome to a new tutorial from the Desire channel. Today, I want to introduce you to an amazing, all-in-one AI tool that brings together all the famous AI image and video generators in one place. I'd be so grateful if you could like this video and subscribe to my channel. Alright, let's get started. Just like always, open Google and search for Mind Video AI. We'll go to the very first site that appears. The site, Mind Video AI, will open in a new tab. And you can see its user-friendly interface. I'll put the link to this site in the description, so you can easily access it by clicking on it. This tool allows you to create both images and videos. It also has a ton of other features, but the most important ones are the tools for generating images and videos. You can find Kling, Luma, Runway, Midjourney, Flux, and many other popular tools all gathered in this single AI tool. To get started, we'll click the Login button in the top right corner. You can sign in with your Gmail or your own email account. As you can see, when you log in for the first time, you get 20 free credits. I've already used one, so I have 19 left. Every day you visit the site, you can get 2 free credits by clicking this button. You can also click this button to go to a new page, where you'll see that you can get 5 free credits for every friend you invite. You can copy the text here and use it on your social media or anywhere else. Now, let's go back to the previous page. This tool allows you to create images using various AI models, generate videos, and even produce sound effects and music. On the left side, under the Image AI section, we'll use the Text-to-Image option. I'm going to focus on this section because I want to show you the free features of this tool. After clicking this option, we'll land on this page, which has a very beautiful and easy-to-use interface. In this section, you can see the different models. The credit cost for each one is shown right next to it. With the Flux Unlimited free model, you can create images an unlimited number of times. In my previous videos, many of you complained that the tools weren't free and you could only create a few images or videos. But with this tool, you can create images completely free and without any limits. I'll choose the Flux model. In this box, you need to write your prompt, or you can write it in any language and use this button to translate it. As always, I'm going to use Chat GPT to help me write my prompt. So, I'll go back to Google and search for Chat GPT. I'll enter the first site that comes up. This is the interface, and I'll make this request. Give me a prompt, a medium shot of a beautiful Iranian model wearing only a beautiful Iranian leather jacket. Then I'll click Generate and wait for the prompt to be written. Once the prompt is ready, I'll copy it and go back to Mind Video AI. I'll paste the prompt that ChatGPT helped me write into this box. I can also use this button to improve it. In the Style section, we have a few options to start with, including Ghibli, cyberpunk, anime, and other styles. I'll leave it on the default setting. Here, you can choose your desired size. You're limited to 3 options here. I'll choose the 3:4 aspect ratio. In this section, you can write a negative prompt, which is where you list things you don't want in your image. After I'm done with these settings, I'll click the Create button. We'll wait for the image to be generated. As you can see, it shows how many images are in the queue. It takes about 30 seconds to a minute for the image to be created, and there's our image. Look how beautifully and with what quality it created our portrait. Everything looks great, and it even captured the features of an Iranian model perfectly. This image has a watermark, but I'll show you at the end of the video how to remove it. From this button, you can download the image and save it to your system. Now, I'll go back to Chat GPT and ask it to write another prompt for me. I'll write. Give me a prompt, a whale in the water with jellyfish circling around it. I'll click Generate and wait for the prompt to be created. Once it's ready, I'll copy it and return to the site. I'll paste it into this box. Now, I want to use a different image generation model. I'll choose GPT-4o image. It doesn't have any other settings, but I can choose a landscape aspect ratio here. I'll select that option. It made a slight change to my prompt, so I'll go back to my original one. I'll click Create at the bottom. It will deduct 2 credits from my account. I'll wait for my image to be generated. As you can see here, my credits went from 19 to 17. My image is ready. Look how beautifully it created the image, and it even shows the sun rays entering the water and shining on the whale. Now, I'll try using another model, Flux Context Pro. I'll paste the prompt that ChatGPT wrote here. In this section, I'll choose the size. I'll use the 4:3 aspect ratio. I'll click the Create button. 2 more credits were deducted from me. I'll wait for the image to be created. The image is ready. Let me open it so we can see together how beautifully and accurately it designed the image and artwork. I'll go back to the Flux Unlimited free model again to see how well it creates another image. I'll keep the same style and set the size to 3:4. Then I'll click Create and wait for my image to be generated. My image is ready. Look how beautifully it created this portrait. I think this model does an excellent job of creating portraits. To see how it performs with animations and cartoon images, I'll use another prompt and set the style to anime. I'll click Create and wait for my image to be generated. Yes, my image is ready. It's so beautiful. I really like this cartoon and beautiful image, and I'll download it from here. Now, from the left side, I'll choose the Image to Image option. I'll upload the image that we created with this same tool. Here, I'll just type this phrase. Restyle Ghibli style. I'll use the GPT-4o image model. I'll click the Create button and wait for the image to be generated. Our image has been created, but I don't think it did a very good job. You can try other models and see how they perform, or write a more precise prompt. In this section, you can see the paid plans. If you find them useful and affordable, you can purchase them. Here, you have the text-to-video tool, which uses a lot of credits, but I'll show you that it has many different tools like Wo2to3, Sidance, Kling, and many other tools you can use to create videos. With this tool, you can use ready-made effects. As you can see, it says what each effect is for. It has many features, and you can use a lot of them for free by using different email accounts. In my previous videos, I've shown you how to create temporary email addresses. It also has a sound generation tool where you can create sound effects, and a lip syncing tool. Now, I'll share the trick I promised you, removing the watermark. We'll go to Google and search for Bcut. The first site that comes up is for this tool. We'll go there. Once you're on the site, You can either download it for free for your system or use its online editor. I'll choose the online editor. On this page, there are many features, but I only want to use the Remove Watermark option, so I'll click on it. Here, you can remove watermarks from both videos and images. For that reason, I'll click Remove Watermark from Image. Now we'll go to this page. After you enter, you should log into the site. After I've logged in, I'll click the Upload button in the top right corner. And I'll upload the image that we created. After it's uploaded, we'll land on this page. You can either use the Auto option or the Tools option. I'll click on Tools. I'll use the brush provided and draw over the watermark. Now, I'll click Remove. Look how easily and amazingly it removed the watermark. Now we can download it in two formats from here, PNG and JPG. Alright, my dear friends, I hope this tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel to stay updated on my new tutorials. Take care, and goodbye, everyone.